Please stay tuned to learn how to make this creamy gajar ka halwa. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make creamy gajar ka halwa today in an instant pot. Press the saute function key on an instant pot and adjust key for normal. If you'll be making gajar ka halwa on stove top, then keep the heat on medium low. Once the pot is hot, add in 4 tablespoons full of ghee or 6 tablespoons full of butter. Add in 2-3 pieces of cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Once they begin to splutter, add in 3 cups of grated carrots. Saute until the raw flavor of carrots disappear. Once the carrots are well sauteed and they start sticking to the bottom of the pot, add in 2 cups of milk. Cook until the milk evaporates and ghee starts separating. Friends, the ghee has started to separate. Saute for a few more seconds. Now add in 1 3/4 cups of sweetened condensed milk. Cook stirring continuously until this thickens up. Add in few strands of saffron. Continue cooking. Now add 3/4 cups of khoya. Keep stirring until the khoya is well incorporated. Please click the link below in the description box for this authentic tasting khoya recipe. Friends, the ghee is separating. This means it is ready. Garnish this with extra khoya and fried crushed nuts of your choice. Friends, look at the texture of this halwa. It's so creamy. Serve this creamy, hot gajar ka halwa with cold vanilla ice cream. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.